This is Christmas time. Let's twist some balloon with us. Come on, come on. Let's twist.
Join the reindeer crew with the Balloon Reindeer Hat. Facebook win elf action.
We're going to start by pumping out our brown 260 balloon. And tie a knot. Leave a 4cm tail. We're going to start by making a 30cm bubble. And then another 30cm bubble, and then tie them together at the end. Find the midpoint of the remaining balloon and make a pinch twist in the middle. The long bubbles should be approximately 20 centimeters. And with whatever left over, we're going to tie it back to the 30cm bubbles at the bottom. This makes the base and the top of the hat. Now pump up your 260 sand white balloon and tie a knot. We're going to leave a 12cm tail. Start by making a 4cm bubble and then two 3cm bubbles and then twist them together. We're going to make another two 3cm bubbles and then twist them together again. And then we're going to make one more 4cm bubble and then a pinch twist. This makes one antler. Now grabbing the hat and finding the pinch twist that we made on the top, we're going to make a 6cm bubble with the sand white balloon and then tying it to the pinch twist. And now we're going to repeat the process by making the other antler. So we're going to make a 6cm bubble, a pinch twist, a 4cm bubble, two 3cm bubbles, and then another two 3cm bubbles, and by popping the balloon and adjusting it, we're going to make one last 4cm bubble, and then tying a knot at the end. Feel free to cut off any excess. Now we're going to grab our 5-inch round red balloon and we're just going to pump it up to any size that you like for the nose to be. And then we're going to tie a knot. And then we're going to tie it to the front of the hat. And now grab your 5-inch round white balloon and pumping it up again, and then tying a knot. And then we're going to split this one into half. So we have two round bubbles. And then we're going to tie it to the front of the hat on top of the nose. This makes the eyes. And the twisting part is complete. Onto the drawing. We're going to grab a black marker and outline some eyes. Then we're going to color it in using a brown marker. And your reindeer balloon hat is complete.
Whoa, I have a balloon reindeer hat. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.